This is Mrs. Kaplan in the GWL. This video will explain how to cite an ebook using the Quick Cite Copy and Paste feature in NoodleTools. I will be demonstrating using the junior level, but the process is the same at all three levels, beginner, junior, and advanced. Let's start by telling NoodleTools that we're going to cite a new source by clicking the green New Source link. And when we do, NoodleTools asks us, where is it? In other words, where did this information come from? We've checked the LibGuide for the project, and the LibGuide says if we're using the Gale Virtual Reference Library ebooks, then the information has come from an ebook, and the type of information is from a reference source. So when we click those, NoodleTools gives us a form that tells us we're citing a reference source in an ebook. The LibGuide also told us that we could copy and paste a pre-made citation found in the ebook, and here on this form is a link to copy and paste the citation. Notice we're still citing a reference source in an ebook, but now we have a word processing box in which to fill the copied citation. I paste that citation there. We have two questions underneath this box. One involves the copyright date of source. We only have to fill these questions in if in fact that information is not included in the pre-made citation. As we read the pre-made citation, we notice that in fact this information is included. It's 2012. And the second box asks us to look for a URL if it's not already included. We continue reading and we see https link.gale.com. There's our URL, so we don't have to fill this box in either. We don't usually add an annotation when we're doing bibliographies in the middle school, and so we continue to scroll down until we see the Save box. We click Save, and we have a new citation in our project list.